Brigadier Mohammad Usman, the Lion of Nowshera, who refused the offer of Jinnah to be the Pakistan Army chief. No military commander in independent India, except one, has received a state funeral. But so overwhelmed was a nascent nation at the supreme courage and sacrifice of Brigadier Mohammad Usman that Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and his cabinet colleagues turned up at the funeral of the true hero, who was laid to rest with full state honors on the premises of Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi. Brigadier Mohammad Usman was born on July 15, 1912 in Bibipur in Mau district of present-day Uttar Pradesh. Son of a police officer, Mohammad Farooq Kunambir and Jamilun Bibi, courage came to Brigadier Usman at a young age when at the age of 12 he jumped into a well to save a drowning child. His father wanted him to join the civil services, but he was destined to don the military uniform and joined the army. On the 19th March 1935, as a young officer, he was appointed to the Indian Army and posted to the 5th Battalion of the 10th Baluch Regiment. During the partition of India, Brigadier Usman, being a Muslim officer in the Baluch regiment, was under intense pressure from Jinnah to opt for the Pakistan Army. However, despite the fact he was promised a future position as the Pakistan Army chief, he was unconvinced. When the Baluch regiment was allotted to Pakistan, Brigadier Usman opted for the Dogra regiment. In 1947, Pakistan sent tribal irregulars into the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir in an attempt to capture it and accede it to Pakistan. Brigadier Mohammad Usman, then commanding the 77th Parachute Brigade, was sent to command the 50th Parachute Brigade, which was developed at Jangar in December 1947. On 25th December 1947, with the odds staked heavily against the brigade, Pakistani forces captured Jangar. Located at the junction of roads coming from Mirpur and Kotli, Jangar was of strategic importance. On the day, Brigadier Usman took a vow to recapture Jangar, a feat he accomplished 3 months later, but at the cost of his own life. In January-February 1948, Brigadier Usman repulsed fierce attack on Nowshera and Jangar, both highly strategic locations in Jammu and Kashmir. During the defense of Nowshera against overwhelming odds and numbers, Indian forces inflicted around 2,000 casualties on the Pakistanis, about 1,000 deaths and 1,000 wounded, while Indian forces suffered only 33 dead and 102 wounded. His defense earned him the nickname Lion of Nowshera. Pakistani forces then announced a sum of Rs 50,000 as a prize for his head. Unaffected by praise and congratulations, Brigadier Usman continued to sleep on a mat laid on the floor as he had vowed that he would not sleep on a bed till he recaptured Jangar, from where he had to withdraw in late 1947. The operations commenced in the last week of February 1948. The 19th Infantry Brigade advanced along the northern ridge, while the 50th Parachute Brigade cleared the hills dominating the Nowshera-Jangar road in the south. The enemy was eventually driven from the area and Jangar was recaptured. Pakistan brought its regular forces into the fray in May 1948. Jangar was once again subjected to heavy artillery bombardment, and many determined attacks were launched on Jangar by the Pakistan Army. However, Brigadier Usman frustrated all their attempts to recapture it. It was during the defense of Jangar and the Brigadier Usman was killed on July 3, 1948 by an enemy 25-pounder shell. He was 12 days short of his 36th birthday. His last words were, "I am dying, but not let the territory we were fighting for fall for the enemy." For his inspiring leadership and great courage, he was awarded the Mahavir Chakra posthumously. A bachelor, a bulk of his salary would be spent in providing education to poor children. He was religious yet a staunch loyalist. On receiving reports that 50,000 tribal marauders had taken refuge at a mosque near Nowshera and that our troops were hesitant in firing at the religious structure, he reached there personally and ordered fire to be opened, stating that the place no longer remained religious as it had been occupied by marauders. Brigadier Mohammed Usman remains one of the greatest soldiers and an inspiring military leader India has ever produced. Two memorials, one at the Jamia Millia Islamia, the other at Nowshera, stand as silent reminders of the supreme courage and sacrifice of Mohammed Usman. Jai Hind.